Chucky! Mamma mia!
It's burning, guys. So today I am planning to make a white sauce pasta just because I am too lazy to make सब्जी रोटी right now. मतलब मैं हर दिन सब्जी रोटी ही बनाती हूँ, but today I felt like I should go for something Italian and like that. तो फिर इसीलिए I thought कि चलो white sauce pasta would be better. So अभी I am going through the recipe. ये इसमें से देख के फिर वी विल डिसाइड कि क्या क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स लगेंगे, तो फिर मैं मार्केट जाके वो लेके आऊंगी और उसके बाद फिर आई विल स्टार्ट कुकिंग. तो लेट अस गो विद द रेसिपी फर्स्ट. ऑल्सो आई वांटेड टू चेक इफ व्हाइट सॉस पास्ता इज रियली इटालियन, सो लेट्स जस्ट आस्क जेमिनाई, इज व्हाइट सॉस पास्ता इटालियन?
White sauce pasta, as it's commonly known with a creamy sauce thickened with flour and milk, often called bechamel, is not traditionally Italian in that exact form. Here's a breakdown. Bechamel sauce.
Whatever, I'll just take it as yes, white sauce pasta comes from Italy. It's an Italian dish. I don't care what this Gemini thinks is. So I have prepared the list on my phone of the ingredients that I need. I don't know if I'm going to get all of these ingredients right now, but I'll just go with whatever I get. And now I'll be going to the market. And before we go out, again. No, I'm not showing you this off, but because it's very sunny outside, so I have to cover myself with this thing. Basically, if you live in India, you know how important this is. Being a girl. I know this is very funny, but this is the only way to save myself from the temperature, which is 41 degrees right now. Looks does not matter, guys. Safety matters. Yes, period. So I reached the place, and this is the pasta that I'm going to buy, and also some mixed herbs, and this is the overall thing that we are going to use in the pasta. And yeah, let's go back home. And I'm back home. The best feeling. And it's just very humid outside. I mean, the temperature is 41. It's burning, guys. So we are in the kitchen. Now I have the recipe over here, and I'll be looking at the recipe and then making pasta.
पानी के लिए एक पतीले में हम 2 लीटर पानी गर्म करेंगे। फिर यहाँ पे गैस आकृति में रख
एक पतीले में 2 लीटर पानी गर्म करेंगे। पानी उबलने रखेंगे एंड बॉईल होने के बाद में पास्ता डालेंगे. ओके. स्वाद अनुसार नमक. स्वाद अनुसार नमक. Part 2. So I'll let it boil. I'll cut the vegetables. Vegetables तो है नहीं मेरे पास, but at least I can cut onion. You know what? Onion और सोसाइटी में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. वो दोनों तुम्हें रुलाते हैं. लेकिन तुम्हारा काम है कि चाहे दुनिया तुम्हें कितना भी रुलाए, तुम्हें अपना मकसद कभी नहीं भूलना है, जो कि है पास्ता बनाना। So now I'm peeling the garlic. You know, as I'm making the pasta, वो हाउसफुल वाला जो सीन था, इसमें चंकी पांडे आके फिर अक्षय कुमार एंड उसकी वाइफ को बोलता है कि I'm a joke. So I really want to like recreate that scene maybe. So मैं देखती हूँ if I'll get that clip. So
2 minutes later.
okay, and I got it.
Mamma mia! Allora, buongiorno Al Pacino! Welcome signorita! I'm joking! Mamma mia! Come on! Agenda allora! Let me introduce myself! Maze Hotel Kamalik, meron ang Agri Pasta! Agri Pasta? Aha! Pasta मेरा सरनेम! मेरा फादर इटालिano, उनका नाम था स्पेगेटी पास्ता. मेरा मदर हिंदुस्तानी, उनका नाम सेवैया पास्ता. सेवैया पास्ता? और मैं स्पेनी का आखिरी पास्ता. Mamma mia!
Okay, with all the drama right now, the water is boiled and I'm going to add the pasta and put it. Okay, I will add the whole pasta. I'll let it boil. Till then, I'll chop these things and then we'll proceed further. Pasta is boiled and I have even boiled एक the milk. तो वो भी हो गया है. Now let us proceed with the sauce. So I have this bartan that I'm going to make pasta in. I do not have any fancy bartan because why should I? So yes, first of all I'll have to add butter. Now I'll have to add maida to it. 1, 2, and a bonus 3. So I have added milk to it and like I can see this small lump of maida. So I'm trying to mix it as much as possible. Now the sauce is completely cooked, mixed herb and chili flakes. Let me show you the final look of my sauce. More butter left. So I'm just taking oil and oil में ही I'll add garlic and onion. Garlic, adding chili flake, I'll add this into thick. Perfect. Like your life cannot be perfect, but your pasta candy. They told me to add more cheese. So now I'll be adding more cheese. Like I'm doing a great job because I am making white sauce pasta for the very first time. I have never done this before. Like I have not made any kind of pasta from scratch. I just bring the packed wala stuff. You just have to put the pasta, water, and the masala of it, and you have to boil it, and then it's done. So let me show you the pasta. I mean, look at the beauty. I must tell you, it smells so good. Like, girl, stop. Yay! I cannot believe this that I have made it. Oh my god. The final garnishing with cheese. I've grated the cheese and I'll put it over it.
Wow!
So we are done with white sauce pasta. एंड आई मस्ट से कि ये इतना ज़्यादा टेस्टी लग रहा है। लाइक अब मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे ना रेस्टोरेंट खोल देना चाहिए। बहुत चलेगा। एनीवेज़, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड स्टेइंग टिल द एंड। I hope someday somebody gets you a white sauce pasta and makes you happy. Till then, keep dreaming and keep watching Slay Up with Sachi. Bye bye.